Assalamu alaikum. Students, are you fine? How is your studies going on? It seems that it is good and well. I am ready. I am ready for the class for taking now. But are you ready with your book, pen, and khata? Students, without delay, let's start our class. Welcome to online school, class 7, English, second paper. I am Mohammad Babur Mia, assistant English teacher, Nolaba Sikhan High School. Let's start our class. At first, we will see some picture and say something about this. Students, look and say. First picture. Where is the cat now? You must guess that the cat is in the jar. The cat is in the jar. In the second picture, what is being done here? What is being done here? Obviously, you can see that someone is pouring water into the glass. Into the glass. Okay? In the picture 3, what can you see? You must see that a young boy is jumping into the water. Am I right? In the picture 4, where is the cat? Where is the cat? We can see the cat is on the jar. The cat is on the jar. It is a jar. The cat is on the jar. Okay? Last picture. In the last picture, what is the elephant doing? What is the elephant doing? You can see that the elephant is standing on the off. It is a off. Students, at this moment, we see some picture. Let's know more about this picture. In the picture 1, we can see that the cat is in the jar. In the picture 2, water is being poured into the glass. Picture 3, a young boy is jumped into the river. Picture 4, the cat is on the jar. Picture 5, an elephant is standing on the oak. Picture 6, the cat is under the jar. Students, can you guess? Can you guess the marked red word? Students, I hope that you can guess. They are, what are they? Can you guess what are they? What, are, in, into, on, under, etc. You must say that they are preposition. They are preposition. Students, Today's lesson title is preposition. Please write down your lesson title on your exercise book. Now we will discuss preposition. What is preposition? Students, what is preposition? Pre means before. Pre means before. Position means place or situation. That is to say, whose position is before something. Let's know the definition of preposition. Preposition is a word which is used before noun or pronoun and shows its relation in a word, shows the other word in a sentence. Again, listen the definition. Preposition is a word which is used before noun or pronoun and shows the other word in a sentence. Students, according to the definition, there is an example. There is a bridge over the canal. We can see that the canal is noun. The canal is noun. Over is preposition, and according to the definition, the other word is bridge. For this reason, a bridge and canal is related with over. Am I right, students? Am I clear? In this session, we will be introduced some preposition and its meaning. Number 1, in, on, over, above, through, up, down, under, between, among. They are preposition. In is used to indicate something in a side position. When we use preposition in. Preposition in is used to indicate something in a side position. Students, you can see a box. We use in to indicate something inner side position. Inner side. The inner side of the box, you can see inner side. This is a sports cars. Inner side, the car is going to inner side. Students, where is the car now? Where is the car now? You must say that the car is in the box. The car is in the inner side. Am I right? Am I clear? Next preposition to denote the touchable position of a person, animal, or thing. This is a box and it is a sports car. The car is touchable position. The car is now touchable position. Okay, students? It is touchable position. On is used when the thing is touchable position. Okay? Number 3, over. To denote the untouchable position of a person, animal, etc. Untouchable position. It is now touchable position. It is now touchable position, but the car is now untouchable position. Untouchable. Over is used to indicate untouchable position. Okay? Number 4. Above to express the higher untouchable position of a person. Dear students, look, it is touchable position, but it is untouchable position. When the plane fly over us, it is untouchable high position. The Meg flies over us. It is untouchable position. Okay, students? Number 5, to express specific direction. Specific direction. Specific direction. Such as to school, to market, etc. This is a car. The car is going forward. The car is going forward. It has a specific direction. In order to indicate specific direction, we will use preposition to. Number 6, preposition up to indicate upward motion. To indicate upward motion. Students, you can imagine it is a hill. It is a hill. The car is going up the hill. Up the hill. The car is going up the hill. We use up to indicate upper position. Okay. Number 7. Preposition down. To indicate downward motion. To downward motion. The car is now downward motion. The car is now downward motion. The car is now downward motion. Am I clear, students? Number 8, under to mean at a lower position. Lower position. Lower position. The box is upper position. My car is now lower position. In order to indicate lower position, we can use. Students, in this session, you will evaluate yourself. There are 5 fill in the blanks. You will fill up the blank position with the appropriate preposition. First one, he kept the book dash the table. When we something put on the table, the thing remains touchable position. For this reason, we can use on. He kept the book on the table. Number 2, the man was sleeping dash the tree. The man was sleeping dash the tree. Under is suitable here. We use under to indicate the lower level. For this reason, we can use under the tree. Two friends are walking towards the forest. The two friends are walking towards the forest. Which preposition will be suitable? Here. Through the forest. Through the forest. Something middle motion. In this something middle motion. For this reason, we can use through. Two friends were walking through the forest. Jamal divided the mango dash Rohin and Purin. Jamal divided the mango dash Rohin and Purin. We can use the preposition between. There is a two person. After dash, there is two persons. For this reason, we can use between Rohim and Purin. Am I clear, students? Last question. The sky is dash our head. The sky is higher unclassable position. Higher unclassable position. For this reason, we can use over in this sentence. The sky is over our head. Very students, at this moment we discussed preposition. I hope that you have understood my lecture. For home tasks, you will make 10 sentences using preposition. Students, you will make 10 sentences using preposition. That's all for today. Goodbye. Goodbye, students. Stay home. Stay sound. Allah Hafiz.